Hi, thank you for your interest in FitEx. FitEx was developed specifically for extension by extension. The idea behind FitEx, short for Fit Extension, is that we can help individuals achieve physical activity behaviors as well as increase fruit and vegetable consumption through a team-based approach that incorporates evidence-based behavior change strategies. These strategies include goal setting, feedback, and support. Here is a brief tutorial of our FitX website. If you type in fit-x.org in your upper URL, fit-x.org, you can come straight to our FitX homepage, as you'll see it loading here. Some of the updates may change over time, but the general structure is that we will have a FitX tab that includes things such as our approach, facilitator portal, participant portal, and how to contact us. When clicking on our approach, you'll see that there's this idea that we enroll and create a team name, track our progress, and share your journey. Listed here is our team of investigators and county agents who have helped make FitEx what it is today. Our challenge is that less than 50% adults are meeting current recommendations for physical activity, and less than 30% of adults are meeting current dietary guidelines for fruit and vegetable consumption. We know that these are related to chronic diseases, including obesity, which is responsible for 70% of our healthcare costs. So together, we can improve the health of our nation. Our approach is based on evidence-based principles of starting with science, tracking with technology, empowering with people, and insisting on programmatic outcomes. That was a brief tutorial of what is available on the Our Approach section. Once you click on the Facilitator portal, you'll be taken to a new part of the website. Facilitator portal includes register as a facilitator and facilitator login. You'll see similar information at the top, and then we have facilitator resources and support to make launching FitEx easy. This includes the program manual, FitEx materials, video tutorials, how to create an impact statement, and getting started. Briefly, getting started means that you set a goal for recruitment of captains who then recruit their own team members. You start recruitment. Below, we have information about email blurbs, flyers, and more to help you reach more people who would like to begin or maintain their fitness journey. We also have the suggestion of encourage enrollment, perhaps by hosting a kickoff event or sharing information about prizes that may be received at the end of the program. Over the 8 weeks of the program, agents or facilitators are responsible for sending weekly newsletters and feedback on participants' goal attainment. This is your opportunity to be creative, share things that are happening locally, and to share recipes that are related to the season that you're offering your 8-week program. Below are some materials that help you complete FitEx as I have just described, including things like recruitment emails and registration, a way to download Word document versions of the newsletters that you can edit, as well as paper versions of the survey and individual paper logs. This here is important because if you have participants who do not want to sign in and track their physical activity and fruit and vegetable consumption on the portal, that's absolutely fine. They can do so on a PDF. Send that to the captain, and the captain can share that information with you or enter on that participant's behalf. The next section of the website is our participant portal. Here is a list of frequently asked questions as well as what it really means to be a participant. When we scroll down, we see a very similar setup to our previous tab of instructor materials, such as getting started. Getting started means you form a team of 4 to 8 friends, family members, or coworkers. Choose a team captain and a team name that reflects you. This is one of the best parts of FitEx, is seeing all the creative names that people get behind. We also create individual and team-based goals related to physical activity and fruit and vegetable consumption, and then they can see where they stack up in the county and within the state. We track daily minutes of physical activity and fruit and vegetable consumption on the website, on the watch, or via that paper document that we just saw on the previous slide. There's frequently asked questions related to aerobic activity, moderate intensity, vigorous intensity, and you can always return to the top of the frequently asked questions and scroll throughout the page. You will notice here that we have a why is there a team registration fee of $2 per person. If your county or state is doing that, those $2 can be used to support FitEx. You can use that to host a kickoff event or a celebration event, as well as sharing special treats or nominal prizes throughout the program. It's up to you as the facilitator or instructor to make the program work for what your county members would be most attracted to. For example, you may be offering the program for free. There are also FitEx materials for the participant, such as the registration, post-program survey, and that individual paper log we mentioned previously. There are also video tutorials at the bottom of the slide, at the bottom of the page, so that people can find out where to find specific features, how to register, and how to track their physical activity and fruit and vegetable consumption. Taken together, this website tries to help us encourage people to be physically active and consume more fruits and vegetables throughout the day. This program has been in place in Virginia for over 5 years, impacting the lives of Virginians and helping to meet this call for stepping up to the Surgeon General's call to action to make walking and wheeling a national priority. So we offer this evidence-based 8-week online program to promote physical activity and fruit and vegetable consumption, tracking, and behaviors, and we're glad you're with us. We hope these materials help you help others on their fitness journey.